today is a new day, and I have a review of the Surge Fire. It's very cool. It's my first Nerf gun. I just got this from it's just a birthday gift for me, but I forgot who gave it to me. Yeah, this is how you do it. Okay, what the? I'm getting the other dart. Okay, got it, guys. So this is pretty cool, though. You can like put a scope here. If you like wanna look like this. But you already have this thing to look. This one. And if you really like a scope, just get it from your other guns and put it right here. Then if you get what's that called? Like a leash or a tie, you have to put it. You can put it here. Here and here, and put it at your back. And if you want a Nerf gun, a Nerf war, just get ready. Okay, that was awesome. So guys, that was all. So bye guys. See you next time. Bye. Peace. Subscribe the video. I love you guys. Peace.